Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excuse me, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Now I wanna introduce myself. My name is Firdaus Alifari. You can call me Firdaus. I'm from Technical Department Class Alpha. My registration number 24.60.2001. I am studying in Polytechnic Bumi Akbelni 60 bed. Performance of the engine room watch. The performance of the engine room watch entails all watchkeeping engineers to be aware of their duties. When I was an engineer at sea, every senior watchkeeper had their own particular duties to be carried out during their engine room watch as well as normal watchkeeping honors. The position of ship's engineering officer is a responsible one from the most junior engineer through the senior engineers to the chief engineers, who has the ultimate overall responsibility for the efficient, safe operation of the engine room, main engine, and auxiliary plant. The following section give an insight to the watchkeeper's duties, with the first section giving an overview of the equipment contained within the engine room, propeller, tunnel, and steering gear. Overview of a ship's engine room. The watchkeeping engineer should be familiar with the layout of the engine room from the top plates that contain the cylinder head to the stern that at the end the propeller staff. We start outside the engine room, right out the starting gear that is accessible from a dogged rubber salad door. Here, the left horizontal hydraulic rams can be sent operating the rudder by small bore copper paper and a telemeter, sending signals from the widget well to the ram servo motors. Entering the engine room and down the top plates which the cylinder head where the exhaust gas outlet along with a fuel injector cooling water temperature should be noted. The air start valve supply pipes should feel relatively cool. Any sense of excess temperature could signify a leaking air start valve, requiring immediate investigation. Same thing goes for the reverse valve outpiping. Any excess high temperature signifying a leaking relief valve or the relief valve filtering, just leaving and shooting. And again, request investigation. Next level down is the turbo blowers, being located at the back of the engine. The air supplied from the exhaust gas manifold, various temperatures and pressures the check. Next or same level at the front of the engineer where he fit the fuel pump if not common right. Scaffings doors and scaffings drain to the slope tank. From here is the main switchboard, if not incorporated into the control room. Checks generators, loads, lobby and fuel oil centrifugal room, workshop and stores usually on this level, as well as the tanks for generators. Next level down takes us to the bottom plates. Walking along this, checks temperature of crankshaft doors and cylinder lobe oil supply pumps operation, walk around generators checking temperature as well as the circulating pumps operation. Once at the control station, if not in control room, glance at the main control board various gauges. Pass the thrust block and shaft bearings, then top the water rack door into the tunnel. Here the shaft bearings should be checked by hand for over temperature and oil level in the glass overface. Finally, when you can go no further, you are at the stern gauge. A little trickle of seawater dripping into the stern well ensures the glade is being cooled and lubricated. The primary duties of watch-keeping engineer are to patrol the various stations noted above and ensure the components are all working at optimum pressure and temperatures. This seldom belongs at the end of each watch in the engine room log and seek net which time and date of entries it used to be the duty of a junior watchkeeper to copy this into the chief's logbook, being located in the engineer's office in the accommodation. However, I prefer to copy this information across myself, as I could spot any anomalies. Yes, sir, this why. The steering gear should be checked at the end of each watch. After handing over the watch to the oncoming engineers, the additional duties and responsibilities can be shared out among the senior watchkeeper as follows. Chief Engineer overall responsibility for engineer does not normally keep a watch. Second engineer in charge of 4 until X watch. Thank you for I'm reading the performance of engine room watch. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.